قد اندرست آثار دين محمد فأشكو إليك وأنت تبني وتعمر.
In Surah An-Nur of the Holy Quran, Allah states that those believers will indeed prosper, who hear the call to Him or His messengers and they respond, سَمِعْنَا وَأَطَعْنَا. And these can be seen in the Sahaba of the Holy Prophet ﷺ, as even though a command may have been against their own judgment, they followed their master regardless. And every time that they did what initially seemed like a loss, it turned into a glorious victory.
ألا ليس غير الله شيء.
This small hill, Jabal al-Ruma, is what remains of that very small hill, where Muslims learned the consequences of even the slightest disobedience to their master.
وأكفرني قومي فجئتك لاهفا وكيف يكفر من يوالي محمدا.